The Adani Group is at a crossroads, defending its ambitious projects in India against a wave of environmental challenges. As they push forward with massive infrastructure developments, the stakes are high. Critics argue that these projects threaten fragile ecosystems and local communities. Yet, Adani insists that their initiatives are vital for economic growth and energy security. They claim to be investing in sustainable practices, but the scrutiny is intense. With climate change concerns mounting, the balance between development and environmental stewardship is more critical than ever. Can Adani navigate this complex landscape without compromising the planet? The outcome could reshape India's future.